Six ceiling for closing. In with elbow, turn with the waist, out with the hand. In with elbow, this is six ceiling for closing, 2 circles, number 2. The turn with the waist is drop the waist, then out with the hand, the foot follows. That's it, this is it. So you can see what happens in front. Watch this one. In with elbow. Can you see the body does not move? Turn with the waist. The body does not move. Out with the hand. The body does not move. In with elbow. Drop the waist. Out with the hand. The body follows. 2 circles. These 2 circles are 2 eggs. First egg is lying down. Second egg is standing up. So now watch that again. Just the egg shape. Okay, let's go. In with elbow, turn with the waist, out with the hand. In with elbow, drop the waist, out with the hand.
In with the elbow, turn the waist, out with the hand. In with the elbow, turn the waist.
Drop. Out with the hand because I'm going waist. That's it. I start here. So you have room. This is the finished position, which is good, but you have to start here.